Semi-automatic acrylic paint filling machine for children's painting. 12-color pigment filling machine. Manually put the empty plastic box into the mold, point or foot switch. 12 sets of injection nozzles. Move forward to the plastic box on the position, open the pump cylinder for injection, set the injection time, then turn off the pump. The nozzles return to the original position. The flap cylinder runs the pigment box cover 180 degrees. Flip buckle in the box above the mouth. The two side of the pressure cover cylinder action compression cover. Release the pressure cover flap. Take out the finished product to complete the entire work process. Each color can be stored in the storage barrel. Insert the shaft material pump into the barrel, and the outlet of the pump is connected with the injection nozzle, so that the pigment can be injected into the box through the injection under the operation condition, and each color is equipped with a pump.